Okay,
Oh
well,
my
you still
fucking
didn't get
God.
in time. I'll just switch seats.
Cause your fat ass is in the way.
I got out and waited. You still didn't get in the way, man.
You didn't move.
Yeah, I did. You didn't
Imagine
get
a
in.
runner chased me down, ate me right in front of you. I didn't even make a sound. Died.
I wouldn't have even changed seats.
Yep. You know what? Headlights.
I thought you were gonna be like, you know what, you drive. I don't want to be blamed for crashing this thing as well.
No, I don't mind crashing. It's my car.
Van.
Oh, what is that to our left? Do you know?
I'm not moving. Are you moving?
Yeah, we've moved.
I'm literally in the exact same place, but I can hear the car running. Whoa! I just teleported? What
Yeah.
the fuck just happened, man?
That's some weird shit.
What the fuck?